Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the islands of Samoa. We greet you by saying, Talofa. Talofa. Please try it one more time. Talofa. Talofa. Okay. Somebody said Toyota. That's not right. It's Talofa. We welcome you to the islands. Welcome to the Polynesian Culture Center, ladies and gentlemen. Mulatu fa malombo fa talo tu pimolo tu mala fi mai matala amai tato vivi vatasis matu fil matu neo Samoa. Okay? That means welcome. We have our own language, we speak Samoans. We have 7 different islands in the Polynesian Culture Center. We also have 7 different cultures and 7 different languages. So we don't understand each other. That's why we have to speak English. So if you have any questions, talk to me. Because all of us who work here, we're all from Samoa. And I see some friends from Japan here today. Japanese, where are you? Yeah, there they are. Konnichiwa. Yeah, Korea. Annyeonghaseyo. Yeah. Anybody not from Korea or Japan? Thank you for coming. There's a lot to do and there's a lot to see. Samoa is still controlled by chiefs. Chiefs make the rules and they tell you what to do, so whatever they say, we do it. So it's good to be chief. The people of Samoa are known as the happy people of Polynesia. So ladies and gentlemen, we are the happy people. So please be happy. Are you happy? Yeah! Me too. Japanese, are you happy? Yes! Yeah. Japanese. How many of you here have been to Samoa? Anybody have been to our country? No? You've been there, sir. What part? Okay. That's the airport. Give him a hand, everybody. He went to the islands and visited Pago in American Samoa. Everything is still the same in the islands. When you look over here, you see these open houses. In Samoa, we can build as many as we want because we don't need permits. We also grow our own food. We don't pay tax. We're the happy people. If you have no place to stay, this is yours. If you want to meet the chief, look for the big one. If you want to see the family, there's a family hut to my left. When you're hungry, we have the Pizza Hut. That's the cooking place. It belongs to the men. In Samoa, we men do the cooking. Ladies don't cook in Samoa. It's still part of the culture. Do you like that, ladies? Then please move to Samoa. Because we men are moving out. Every day we cook, we use the ground oven, climb trees, get coconuts, make fire by rubbing sticks. Every day. That's why I ran away. Come here to get more education. Someday I'll go back and change it. Take a microwave oven. I want to share with you one of the most important part of cooking today. We're going to learn how to start the fire. Method that our people use in many, many years. To start the fire, we just rub sticks. So that's all we're going to do. Rub sticks. So while you flick your big one, we rub our sticks. Very simple. It takes about 5.5 hours. So let's get going. Oh, man. This is how we do it. We rub sticks all day long. On rainy days, we don't eat. Then we go to McDonald's. I hate this job. Are you making movies? Okay. And make sure you see the movies. It's called Making Fire. Ah! Piggy! Did you see the smoke? Did you see the smoke? Yeah. That's fire. Do you want to see a big fire? Yeah. Let me go get some gasoline. Oh, man. Look for some dry and flammable material. You can use papers and leaves. I'm using the dry coconut husk. We call it pulu. Everybody please say pulu. 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 Okay. You can transfer the burning particles to the pulu. Holy smoke. Do you want to see flames? $5. Everybody please say fire. Japanese, heat. Japanese, Korea, bull. Bull. That's it. That pulu is hot. You want to see how we put it out? Okay. I'll send it to the cooking place. So don't worry. Move. That's okay. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. So anybody can do this. You can start the fire anytime because any wood works. Make sure the wood is dry and your two pieces come from the same tree. All right? Do you know the name of this wood? No? Firewood. It works. It's a good wood. It's a wild hibiscus wood. You guys go home, you can use any wood. There's pine wood. There's so many different woods. So you can use all of them, okay? There's redwood, oak wood. Japanese use plywood. Anybody here from California? Yeah. Go home and use Hollywood. So please. Thank you. Try the method. Rub sticks, it works. You can